coming in between.
What kind of consequences?
Like if tailor is not available, or sometimes I have to travel, and now due to COVID I can't travel in train, so all that consequences are coming, sir.
That's what I'm telling you. It's very, very important. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. Understand?
Yes, sir.
It's not that easy. Business, like for example, you designer, somebody must stitch for you, somebody must give you the material, you must have the money, you must then after already was going to sell this thing and you got to pay all of this guys. So you
Yes,
must
sir.
it's going to be very tight. You must have some money. You must have some money. Can you support yourself or somebody supporting you?
No, sir. Like my mom is supporting me, but my dad isn't. And yeah, I have savings of my own, but like I can't even do. Matlab, I feel like there is something blocking me to do that.
No blocks now. You're fine.
Okay, sir.
No
And
blocks.
sir, even
Do divine for your work, okay?
yes, sir. And sir, I want to take Garba classes. Like I am good in Garba, like dance classes. But no inquiries only come. Like the no one is interested only.
No one either dancing with you or giving you a class or calling you to do dance professionally. What is that? I don't understand.
Like no one come. Like no one only inquire for my classes, sir.
So you want to teach.
Yeah, I want to teach.
Start with small children first.
Okay.
Understand? Small children, bring the small children, give them free. Start.
Okay, sir.
No, you must start somewhere. Get used to it. Get children, come on, dance. Then you make them, groom them, and then you say, okay, other people can come and learn. Where are you from?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai.
Okay, next time I come to Mumbai, you teach me Garba. Huh?
Yes, yeah, sure. And
Okay, no
sir,
problem.
yes, and 5 to 6 days ago, my mom has a severe pain in her left leg.
Your mom
She
has got no
also
clot. Just start healing. How? Which part of the leg? Sole, at the sole layer, or at the knee level? Huh?
from thigh to calf,
Huh?
from thighs to calf.
Okay, you heal the. Wait. There's a cord. There's a cord under the leg. There's a cord. Where's your mom?
Yeah, she is here only.
Call her.
Yes, sir. Sir, she is here.
Madam, you got a cord under the leg, madam.
Okay,
You got a
sir.
cord from one lady from your husband's family.
Sir, yeah. So, sir, what is the solution, sir?
Think of the
Please
husband's
guide me.
family. Think of the husband's family.
Husband, family, which are.
Think of a lady from husband's family, madam.
Yeah, sir. She is doing.
Read page number 7 now. Read page number 7 for the lady.
Yes, sir.
Read now. You see, you need to learn how to find the chords. Once you find the chords, read forgiveness goes away, then the healing works automatically. Understand?
Okay.
So the cord is gone now. Ask your mother to breathe and inhale, exhale.
Inhale, exhale करना है.
Inhale, exhale.
Yes, sir. She is doing.
Ask her how's the pain now.
What happened? Sir, like she is 8% fine. Like
No. 8 gone or remaining? 10 to 0. 0 is no pain. 10 is the pain she started. How many gone?
2 gone.
Oh, 8 more. Okay, never mind. Ask her to inhale, exhale. So now the body healing itself. Remember I told you people, the affirmation, we have energized the affirmation to give a little bit of power to do more healing now. Okay. While healing itself, some of the dark energy will go off. It's very easy. That's why I ask people to sit down and we energize all the affirmation to have it with them. Next time in the future, we'll do one more time. Okay?
Yes, sir.
How much the pain now?
Are?
5%.
Sir, five
Hmm.
five remaining, sir.
You see, we are not even healing her. Just affirmation, and the thoughts go away, and then now the healing is happening. You know,
Yes, sir.
As simple as that. How many days your mother was suffering with this pain?
So from 5 to 6 days.
5 to 6 days. Hmm. Why is the lady not happy with your mom?
Okay.
Why is the lady not happy with your mom?
Okay, sir.
Why is your lady not happy with your mom?
Sir, we don't know that. Sir.
Hmm. Okay, how much your pain now?
Kutlo hai?
આટલું જ 5.
Sir, five only. Like,
Now you take the one now. You take the one now.
sir, me or my mother?
You take the one.
Okay, sir.
And the healing one become as powerful as required to heal my mother's physical stomach.
Healing wand become powerful is required to heal my mother's physical stomach.
Heal now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, stop. કેટલો થયો?
How much now?
Yes, sir. Win.
આ એટલું જ છે.
Sir, 5% only. Like, she's
Keep on healing.
okay. अति ध्यान द्या ना. મને કેટલો આવે?
Keep on healing. You keep on healing. You keep on healing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on doing.
કેટલો આવે? Physical stomach heal થઈ જાય.
How is she now?
કેટલો? It's sir 2%.
You see what kind of stomach she has now? 50% because of God, 50% because of stomach. So there was something to do with the wrong food. The stomach cannot take the food. The food is giving so much an issue. Huh?
Okay, sir. And
પપ્પા જોજો.
sir,
Yeah.
and sir, my dad is also now like taking loan and doing his own business. We
Okay.
are all family members are against him, but he is like, no, I want to take loan of 8 to 10 lakhs, and he want to start his own business.
What business you want to start? You got lots of blocks. Tell that man. Has he taken the loan?
Yes, sir. We also did his like Splinham test, and Splinham test also told us no that business is not appropriate for him, but he is not only listening to us.
You want tight slap.
Not a permission.
Sir, he is not listening.
He's got lots of blocks. He should not do business. Lots and lots of blocks.
Yeah, sir. And if we told him na let no don't do, then he argue with me and my mother, and abuse us, sir.
No. He must do this. He cannot play the fool. Has he taken the loan? Has he taken the loan? Has he taken the loan?
Yes, sir. He has no. Till date, he is not taken the loan, but he will take loan, and he will start his own business.
Now you better start doing divine fire for him. Make him
Okay.
listen, please. Make him listen. You're going to be in big trouble if you take the money. You might lose a lot of things. He's got lots of blocks, lots of black magic blocks. Unless ask him to sit down and remove the cords and black magic before he start doing business.
Okay, sir. But sir, he don't follow PVH only. He
So who's giving money to the house now? Who's giving money to the house?
Sir, dad only, but like 5,000 to 7,000, he gives only that much only.
Okay. Okay, never mind. Do divine fire. Make him sit down. Can somebody talk to him? Tell him this is the dangerous of your doing business. You might lose everything. Can someone do that? Can someone advise him?
Yes, sir, my whole family, like my uncle, auntie, everyone advised him that don't do, but he is like, no, I want to do.
No. He's going to be in big trouble. Please do that, okay? So
Yes, sir.
put him in the room and lock the room. Don't let him come outside.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Manoj Gelda. Yes, Mr. Manoj Gelda. What can we do for you today, Mr. Manoj Gelda? I think we had a talk yesterday. We did some emotional fit and building on you yesterday. Correct, my friend?
Yes, sir.
How do you feel now?
I feel better, sir. I'm on medication, Sirta, and in night I have sleeping pills for sleeping, sir.
Manoj Gelda, let me tell you. You need to take page number 7, write with affirmation, page number 7, the bracket to all my debtors of the people who loan my money and also my father's money. Read now. A lot of negativity coming from them to you people. Lot.
Yes, sir. I'll read it, sir, now. I'm reading it, sir, now.
Yeah. Okay, like that, you must read every day 1, 2, 3 times a day, and then do divine fire for all the monies, my debtors. My debtors' money are money of divine fire. My debtors' money are the purity God desires.
Yeah, I'm doing that, sir. Daily I'm doing it.
Yes, sir. Times are difficult. I told you, times are difficult. People may not be able to pay you, or people are just giving excuses, not wanting to pay you. You understand? You understand? Yes. So it's difficult. So you just put all my debtors are beings of divine fire, all debtors, my money given out to the debtors are beings of divine fire, my money to the debtors of the purity God. Do the debtors and do divine fire. Read page number 7 for all the debtors, yours and your father's debtors. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And start doing
that. Sir, I don't know what I'm going to do in future now, business or whatever, because I have no work.
Divine fire for your job. My job is a job of divine fire. My job is, my money is the money of divine fire, my money. The answer will come to you and do it properly. Don't keep on saying what to do. Divine, show me the right direction. Show me the right path. Divine, show me the right direction. Show me the right path for what I want to do in this lifetime. Like that.
Daily, in the night while sleeping, I use the magic card, put it on my forehead. I've been doing it from last 1 month and continuously doing divine card.
Yes. Yeah, the current situation may take more than 1 month to get the proper answer, my friend. Sometimes
it is becoming very difficult.
Like for example, one lady was doing a lot of divine fire. It took her 3 years to get the promotion, and everybody in the company resigned. 3 years, you know. She's been keeping in touch with us 3 years. After 3 years, all are fine. Sometimes we do not know how it happens. Sometimes so negative, it takes a bit time, but you must be diligently doing this. Don't jump here, jump there, and try this and try that, you know. Nothing may work. PV is as simple as easiest. It'll come to you according to your karma and according to what good things you do in this lifetime. Start doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir?
And, I'm finding it really difficult to move in life again. Very much stressed out. I
Yes, sir.
haven't gone out of my house from last 1 month. I am confined to my house.
Things will become better, sir. Trust me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Be patient, my friend. Be patient. I'm not saying it's easy, huh? You've come a long way. You've worked very hard. Nature likes you. Nature likes you a lot. They will show it to you, but be patient.
It's really checking patience, sir. Very difficult for me. I mean, because
No,
of my family also.
please survive. Try to survive now. Just survive now and things will change. You have to survive. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Patak Parachi. Government job. Fine condition, not good and encouraged. When you say government job means you already have a government job or looking for government job?
I'm looking for my government job.
Okay. How many million people are there in India?
Yeah, so many people are there, but I'm preparing since long.
Hey.
But then,
Hey, how many million people are there in India?
135 crores.
1,300 million. Okay. Now, out of 1,300 million people, how many are government servants? How many million?
That I don't know.
10%? 10% government servant? No, less than 10%. Okay, let's bring all the political people and all inside. Okay, 10%, 130 million people. Now, how many 130 million people? How many people retiring every day?
Nobody. Every day, I don't think so. Everybody is retiring after some age.
Somebody retiring, 60 years old. Someone, huh? So then they retire, they must replace. Okay, now let's say every year 10,000 people retiring. How many people waiting to replace 10,000 people?
Yeah, that is true.
So it's not easy. I'm not saying it's not possible, but it's not easy. Okay, so you must have the niche, you must have the right category, you must have the right thing, and of course the right luck and right political power. Sometimes too much of political power, you know what I'm trying to say. So I still remember one lady in a village somewhere, they paid them so much money to get a job in railway. And the boy is not qualified. I said, how can they give you a job in railway? Your son is not qualified. That fellow cheated and took the money and went off already. You know what I mean? So lots of things happen like that. Oh, don't worry, I'll get you I'll get a job in railways, you know. It's something like that. You know, so sometimes your qualification is very important. It's something else, okay? So don't worry about it. You do divine favor for the government, and it is good. Let's see what happens for you. Okay, and it is good. Let's see what happens for you. Okay.
Okay. And about financial condition also, it's not that much good for my family members.
Who is earning money? Are you working?
Yes, I'm working. I'm a private teacher, and also I'm doing tuition classes and something.
You're okay. There's a block. Is your father around?
No, he is not around.
What do you mean not around?
He's not at home. Just now he outside.
When I say around means he's around. Your father is around. Father is like.
Okay.
Your father can read forgiveness. Can your father read forgiveness?
Okay.
Can you make him read forgiveness? Can you ask your father to read forgiveness, please?
Fine. When he will come, I will tell him.
In page number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. In page number 7, whomever not happy with me and my family. Okay?
Okay. And about third question, I'm not worried about that, but my mama always like tensioning about my marriage and everything.
That's normal. All people always feel that way. After marriage, 6 months, where baby, where baby, where baby. Okay. After baby come, after one baby come, when next baby? When next baby? So going on, life goes on, goes on. Okay. After baby grow big, ready, when baby going to get married? They're still alive. So this is going on and on. This is how Indian people, this is what they do. They got nothing else to do, but they just keep on doing. And sometimes very tension for us, very tension for us. You understand? So you do divine fire, marriage. That is marriage for you. That's marriage for you. So don't worry. I see energy for that. No problem, no blocks. The time comes. If you want to get married, can happen very soon. Okay.
Okay.
Don't say I get a government job, I get married. So no government job, no marriage. That's a block. Understand?
Okay, I'm saying that only.
You see, only when I get a government job, I'll get married. Then waiting, getting old, then no retirement, marry you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, take care, girl. Bye. No problem. I don't say.
Bye.
Who is next? Venkata Rao. I'm having diabetes since 24 years, BP since 15 years. I've had a brain stroke. Is he here?
Yes, sir. He is in the session only,
Venkata
sir.
Rao. I have, at the age of 42, for which 2 stents, a ring which are inside the artery to unblock them, were placed in my brain. Oh my God. Oh my God. After 6 months, I had a heart stroke again. Again, 2 stents were placed in my arteries. Please help me, guide me, sir. Mr. Venkata Rao, what is a diet, Mr. Rao? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% is a diet. 90% of whatever happened to Mr. Venkata Rao is because of your diet. Are you understanding, Mr. Venkata Rao?
Sir, మీ డైట్ బాగాలేదని చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
I think, have you spoken before?
No, sir.
No, huh? Tell him 90% of whatever going to his diet from a very young age. Lot of wrong diet, lot of oily food, lot of ghee. Does he eat a lot of ghee when he was young?
Yes, sir. He belongs to Andhra, so as usual, we are taking the wrong diet, sir.
Tell him be careful, huh? All diet, 90% diet, lot of oily food, all oily. See, remember, madam?
సార్
Madam Padmaja,
సార్ చెప్తున్నారు మీరు ఎస్ సార్ మీరు చాలా యంగ్ ఏజ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు రాంగ్ డైట్ తీసుకున్నారు దానివల్ల బ్రెయిన్ లో క్లాట్స్ హార్ట్ లో క్లాట్స్ అవి ఏర్పడ్డాయి అని చెప్పి సార్ చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
Sometimes the oil you eat from outside, the oil may not be very good quality, So cut down, 0 oil. Oil is the only one combined with sugar can cause triglyceride and go and block the arteries.
మీరు కన్జ్యూమ్ చేసే ఆయిల్ మీరు ఏ ఆయిల్ అయితే ఉపయోగిస్తున్నారో అది చాలా బ్లాకేజెస్ కల్పిస్తుంది. అందుకని అసలు మీరు డైట్ తీసుకునేటప్పుడు మాక్సిమం సలాడ్స్ అలాంటివి కొన్నాళ్ళ వరకు ట్రై చేయండి. ఆయిలీ ఫుడ్ లేకుండా. ఆయిల్ అసలు 0% అని చెప్తున్నారు సారు. 0% తో అసలు ఆయిల్ లేకుండా తినండి.
1, 2, 3 liver flush.
లివర్ ఫ్లెష్ కూడా 3 సార్లు లివర్ ఫ్లెష్ చేసుకోమన్నారు. ఒకసారి చేసుకున్నాక ఒక 1 month గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చి మళ్ళీ ఇంకోసారి చేసుకోండి. మళ్ళీ 1 month గ్యాప్ ఇచ్చి ఇంకొకసారి చేసుకోండి. అలా 3 లివర్ ఫ్లెష్.
Stop eating coconut oil, palm oil, coconut oil. Stop coconut oil and animal fat, animal oil. No more ghee.
అంటే మనకి ఆవు నుంచి గేదె నుంచి వచ్చే నెయ్యి తింటాం కదా మనము ఘీ, అది కూడా అసలు వాడొద్దని చెప్తున్నారు. యానిమల్ నుంచి వచ్చేవి. అలాగే కోకోనట్ ఆయిల్, కోకోనట్ కూడా ఆపేయమంటున్నారు. కొబ్బరి కూడా మిమ్మల్ని ఆపేయమంటున్నారు సార్. ఓకేనా
So
సార్?
please, tell this man the stent doesn't solve the problem. The stent only allow the blood to go flow at that point. There could be the blocks can still come back again if it doesn't change his diet.
మీరు డైట్ చేంజ్ చేసుకోకపోతే స్టంట్ వేయటం మూలంగా ఏమవుతుందంటే మన ఆర్టరీస్ లో బ్లడ్ ఫ్లో సరిగ్గా అవటానికి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది అంతే. మళ్ళీ మీరు డైట్ కనుక చేంజ్ చేసుకోకపోతే మళ్ళీ ఆ బ్లాక్స్ ఏర్పడే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. స్టంట్ బ్లాక్ ఏర్పడకుండా ఆపలేదు అని చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
Does he eat sugar?
ఎస్ సార్.
Does he eat sugar?
మీరు షుగర్ తీసుకుంటారా సార్? ఇప్పుడు కూడా తీసుకుంటున్నారా?
తీసుకోవట్లేదు మేడం.
ఏంటండి?
తీసుకోవట్లేదు మేడం.
నో సార్. హీ స్టాప్ సార్.
Jaggery?
బెల్లంతో ఏమన్నా తీసుకుంటారా సార్?
ఏం లేదు మేడం.
నో సార్. హీ సేయింగ్ నో.
Since when? No.
ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఆపేశారండి?
షుగర్ వచ్చిన కాడి నుంచి ఆపేసాను మేడం.
ఎప్పటి నుంచి?
షుగర్ వచ్చిన కాడి నుంచి 23 years
అసలు కొంచెం కూడా తీసుకోవట్లేదా?
తీసుకోవట్లేదు మేడం.
Oh, not bad. Not bad.
Since
not
20
bad.
years he stopped. He's saying that since 20 years he stopped taking sugar, consuming sugar, sir.
Not bad. Okay, hopefully good, huh? Good, huh? But still there's so much a problem, huh? So maybe it's a rice and everything else, a lot of oil, huh? But never mind. Ask him to heal his liver
Okay, sir.
and cut oil totally. Then let's see what happens. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
This man got no dark energy, no black magic, nothing. He's fine. He's fine.
Yes, sir. He's following our workshop, sir. Google
Yeah.
Meet workshop every day.
Now only physical problem only. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Madam Kamala.
I request for my son and husband should work for family and prosperity. Where's Madam Kamala? Madam Kamala here?
Ma'am, I think she's not come. We can move on.
Okay. Sandeep Makija. Sandeep.
Liver cirrhosis. Where's Sandeep?
Even he's not come, ma'am.
Hey,
Is there?
Samir Nakrani. Really request lots of final blocks and marriage blocks. Is he there?
Ma'am, we can move on. I think even he's there. No.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
You're Ashish Patel. But name Samir
Yeah,
Nakrani.
Yeah, sir, he's my brother-in-law.
Who has got lots of final blocks? You or your brother-in-law?
No, I have got lots of financial blocks.
Why, sir? How old are you, sir?
Sir, I have invested 10 to 20 crores back in last 10 years, but
Crores?
none of the
Crores?
yeah, crores, sir.
Where you get his crores from, sir?
Sir,
You borrow people or you own crores?
no, I have invested in my business, but
Correct,
none of
sir.
the
I ask him where you get the crow from for the start. You guys borrow from father.
No. Actually, I have got money from the financiers that I have invested in my business.
So you borrowed money.
Yeah, sir.
You borrowed money
Yes,
from the
sir.
financier and now they're coming after you now.
Yes, sir.
So what collateral did you give? Any collateral?
No, collateral was not there, but I have shown the projects in which the money was invested, but the projects never got. So now the problem is that they are coming after me and my family and my father all are in deep trouble now.
So was it your business or your father's business?
No, we are together only in business, me and my father.
Right. So where's your father? I need to speak to your father.
Sir, my father is not with me right now. Actually,
Your
I am
father
in
got-
bank.
Your father got lots of blocks, my friend. Your father got lots of blocks.
Okay, sir, but he is not with me. Actually, he is in Mumbai. I am at Bangalore right now. My projects, which where the money got stuck, is in Bangalore.
Can you call him on WhatsApp?
Wait, sir, I will try
Does he, have,
to.
does he have the affirmation? We need to talk to him. He's got lots of
Yeah,
blocks.
he is reading affirmation and even taking the blessings and.
Yeah, call him now. Lot of blocks
Okay,
on his side.
Yeah, I'm calling, sir.
What kind of business are you guys in?
Construction, sir.
Housing, loan, big housing, buildings.
Yeah,
or housing?
developing and housing developing.
It's a lot of work for that, sir. You must buy the land, you must find the people, you must find the people to take all the change of names and then
Yeah.
build the places, get money from the bank to loan you guys.
Sir, he's not picking up the call right now.
Okay, tell your father, read, and then call him, try to call him and come back to me after, because we still have time today. Not many people are coming to us after saying, call him. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, all the pages, page number 7 to all those people blocking my business. Okay, your father has got blocks for a very long time. So there are people there, so we have to identify. He has to read forgiveness. Then we did. You also got blocked. Read forgiveness also to the blocks of the people. How many people have you sold the property to? How many of them?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
How many people have you sold the property to?
Sir, call received, sir. Hello. હા પપ્પા સર કીધું છે તમને કોલ કરવાનું, તમે જરાક સર શું કહે છે સાંભળજો ને જરા. એક મિનિટ. Sir, he's on call now.
Tell him there are a lot of people not happy with him for the past 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 years.
40 વર્ષથી કોઈ ખુશ નથી કો
પપ્પા સર કહે છે કે ફ્રોમ લાસ્ટ 25, 30, 40 years તમારાથી કોઈ ખુશ નથી ને એવી રીતના કહે છે સર.
So read forgiveness to all those people who are not happy with me because of the business I do. All business, work.
Okay, sir. Sir, પપ્પા સર કહે છે કે ફ્રોમ લાસ્ટ 30-40 years તમારાથી કોઈ ખુશ નથી, જેના સાથે તમે બિઝનેસ ને બધું કર્યું છે ને એના વજહથી તમારા સાથે કોઈ ખુશ નથી ને એના વજહથી તમારા પર બહુ બ્લોક્સ આવી ગયા છે તમારામાં. તો હવે તમારે સર he has to read forgiveness every day.
No, read now. I must remove the blocks first, and then he must continue to read.
Okay. Right now, sir. Okay.
Right now. Read now. You also read. He also
Okay,
read.
sir.
We'll come back to the next page then. Okay? We'll go on.
પપ્પા ઓલું 7 નંબરનું પેજ તમારી પાસે છે? હા તો એ હમણાં રીડ કરો સર, બ્લેસિંગ આપે છે. તો અંદર હશે ને, વોટ્સએપમાં જુઓ ને. હા થશે. Okay, sir. Even he is reading and I am also reading.
Yeah, no, read first and then come back to us next time. We'll go next one.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Next one.
Sir, Sonia.
Anila Padia. Shiva sir, gratitude for your selfless service. I am grateful to you. I would like to request for my home. I'm feeling negative energy at home. Relationship is not good with anyone. Are you here? Anila Padia?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Okay. I am becoming very lazy, procrastinating everything, like don't take bath every day, don't know why. No, you don't bathe, madam.
Yes, sir.
You don't bathe.
I actually don't know what happened. I don't like to go inside the bathroom and take bath. 2-3 days I do only once. And so not only me, even my younger daughter, she's just 1.5 year old. Sometimes I don't give bath to her also.
I'm having skin allergy in all joints and itching, not curing.
Yes.
Madam, there are many souls in your house. Many souls, madam.
Okay, sir.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 souls in your house. Whose house is this? Your own house?
Yes, our own house. Since 2016 we are living here.
Yeah, that's only 5 years, madam.
Yes.
Before that, who was living?
It was empty. The owner was living in the village.
How long is empty, madam?
I think 3 to 4 years.
Before that?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. So now you have purchased the house or you're renting?
No, we have purchased. It's on my husband's name.
Okay, a lot of negative before even you all came to the house, madam.
Okay.
Before, like that. Okay, now think of the house now.
Yes, I'm thinking.
Take page number 7, and to all the souls there, I ask forgiveness to all the souls in my house. Just read that. Okay, madam, done. Start doing divine fire for your house, madam. My house divine fire. My house purity God is there.
Yes, yes.
Start doing and let's see what happens. All are gone. You know why you cannot go to the toilet, madam? A lot of them are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70% of them in the bathroom, madam.
Oh, I see.
That's why you cannot go to the bathroom, madam. That's the trouble. Understand?
Okay. And sir, the older daughter has so many body hair. She's just 8 years old.
What she has, madam?
Body hair, body and on face.
Body hair. Is she around?
Yeah, she's yeah.
Call her now.
Okay, just a minute. Huh?
There's a male soul with her, madam.
Okay, just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
There's a male soul with her.
Oh.
She's 8 years old, huh?
Come fast. Yes, sir. Here she is.
She's a big girl. Ask her what
8
number
years
7.
old, sir. Yeah, sure. Okay.
Page number 7.
Ali जा तो हाँ. Only page hold कर. Forgiveness much. Forgiveness much. Avadu. Read this.
Finish. That's his girl, madam. That's his girl in forgiveness.
Yeah, she is reading, sir. You can see her.
Okay, madam, done. Now start healing her pituitary gland. Do it up Pingala. Heal pituitary gland, hypothalamus, heal both the ovaries and heal the uterus, madam. Can you do that? Navel chakra.
Sure, thank you, sir.
Start doing that, madam.
Okay. And just she is the younger one who has a skin infection.
Bye. This one is vitamins. This one is good food.
Sorry, sir.
It is good food, but she needs vitamins. Madam, that girl
Yes, sir.
is good. Madam, call later. Bye.
What happened, sir? I'm here only. Sir,
Madam,
please.
bye. You cannot hear anything, madam. The child is making so much noise. Never mind, madam. We'll talk afterwards.
No, sir, she went.
Madam, she needs good food, madam. Vitamins. Can you give some good food, madam?
She is only breastfeeding, sir. She is not taking anything.
Madam, there's a big girl, madam. Come on, give her some vitamins, good food, madam. Madam, can we talk
Okay,
later, madam?
Okay, sir. Yeah,
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sharat, my mate's daughter Rupali Balaskar has been behaving badly since 2-3 months. She's married 4 years back and has 2-year-old son. She becomes arrogant and furious and runs to beat her mother for no reason at all. She does not looking after her son and not caring for him. For the last 2 days, she's left her mother's house and gone to her friend's house. Sometimes she's normal and sometimes she's very furious. Who is this now? Sharat. Where's Sharat? Is Madam Sharat here? Is Madam Sharat here?
Sir, he's here, sir, but he has to unmute. Sir, please unmute, sir.
Huh. Sir, the Rupali is the daughter of our maid servant. She is of 20 years old and married for last 4 years. And she has son of 2 years old. But for last about 4-5 months, she is being very furious or something, going mad,
There's
something
a lot
like that.
of black magic from the mother's family.
From mother's family. Okay, sir.
A lot of black magic from the mother's family, sir.
Okay. Then, sir, what we should suggest for her?
Joanne, I am now hold on, I'm on Zoom meeting now with some Indian people from India. I will call you the moment I finish. I'll call you the moment I finish. Okay. Okay, sir, you tell me. She's got lots of dark energy from the husband's family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Many people. What happened to her? Why?
Oh. She has love marriage hota ka kai hota?
Is she there? Can she come in front? Is she there?
Her mother has come here. She is not there. She has left mother's house also, and she is not presently staying with her husband also. She has gone to a friend's house, living with her
Can
friend.
the husband read forgiveness?
No, they are not following.
They actually, in fact, they are illiterate.
Sir, at least, sir, what do you expect to perform miracles, sir? Come on, sir. They must read forgiveness before I can perform some small miracles, sir. Please, make them read first. They must do their part, sir, then I can do my part. If they don't do their part, how can I do my part?
Yes, sir, correct. Marathi mein also second.
So at least ask the minimum husband to read. As a minimum, ask the husband to read. Can the husband read, sir?
Okay, one second. तिचा नवरा वाचू शकेल का? Okay. We'll get some this thing affirmation in Marathi language and tell her husband to read it, and he may read it, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, please. At least husband read, do divine fire. The mother can read for the daughter, do divine fire, and let's see what happens on. And then only we can help, sir. Otherwise, we cannot help.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes.
Nothing else, sir. Loss of soul disturbance because of black magic from the husband's family.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Sonali. Sonali, are you here, Sonali?
Yeah, I can hear. Hi, sir. How are you?
Fine, madam. You lost your vision 2 years ago. Total vision or just a little bit of vision?
Both the vision. Like I was not feeling well. I was doing some service in a spiritual organization. So I got a sinus problem, and it was initially in double vision. I went for...
Hold on. You're saying that you're doing some service in a spiritual organization.
Yeah.
And then what is something else? You say something, what happened you said during the time?
I don't know, all of a sudden I got a stomach ache, and one of my roommate was not feeling well. I was taking care. I went to hospital and I couldn't sleep for...
Madam, your spiritual organization is super negative, madam. That spiritual organization you go is super negative.
Okay. Okay.
Did you find a solution for that?
No, I couldn't find any solution.
Did you ask the spiritual organization why it happened to me?
Nobody cares, sir.
Huh?
Nobody cares.
Now you know, madam. Now you know. Understand?
Yeah.
You can't even know. You can't even go near that idiot. Understand, madam, who claimed to be God. Understand, madam?
The world is like, if you have money, if you have...
now you know, madam. Huh? Now you know. Okay.
Yeah.
When something happened to you, they say, your karma. You have your karma. Go. First of all, you come. Your karma is to serve the Guru. You serve the Guru day and night, madam. You don't even eat food because your karma serve the Guru. When something goes wrong, it's your karma. You have to go through this.
Yeah.
Bye. Now you know, madam, what is it like, huh? Who's standing behind you, madam? Somebody standing behind you. Who's standing behind you?
My mother and
Hey,
my brother.
fine.
Oh.
Madam, முன்னுக்கு வாங்க, ஒளியறீங்க.
அம்மா.
ஒளிஞ்சிட்டு பாக்குறீங்க? இல்ல மேடம், எல்லாம் கூப்பிடுவாங்க, எல்லாம் அரோகரா அரோகரா, அப்ப நம்மளுக்கு அரோகரா தான். கோவிந்தா கோவிந்தா அப்படிதானே மேடம்? அவர் ஒரு கோவிந்தா, நம்மளும் ஒரு கோவிந்தா, எல்லாம் போயிடும் கடைசியில, கிட்ட கூட போக முடியாது. ஆமா இல்லையா மேடம்? என்ன மேடம்?
என்ன செய்யறது தெரியலையே.
புரியுது உங்களுக்கு? அந்த அவ்வளவு அந்த இடம் அவ்வளவு நெகட்டிவா இருக்கு மேடம், ரொம்ப நெகட்டிவா இருக்கு அந்த இடம். மேடம் எந்த இடம் மேடம் அது கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க. ஹலோ, எந்த இடம் அது?
ராஜஸ்தான்ல மவுண்ட் அபு.
அச்சச்சச்ச, நம்ம மவுண்ட் அபு. ஏன் மேடம் பாரு, இடமே கிடைக்கல போறதுக்கு. மேடம் நீங்களா மேடம் அங்கெல்லாம் போகும்போது 75 வயசுல போனோம். கல்யாணம் பண்ணி பேர பிள்ளை 10 பேர் அங்க போனோம். ஓகேவா? அப்ப போலாம். இந்த சின்ன வயசுல அங்க போக கூடாது. புரியுதா மேடம்? என்ன மேடம்?
ஆமா ஆமா.
உங்க அம்மா இருக்காங்க பாத்தீங்களா மேடம்? பேர பிள்ளை பாத்துட்டீங்களா நீங்க?
பேர பிள்ளை பாத்துட்டீங்க?
இல்ல.
அப்புறம் நீங்க போக கூடாது. பேர பிள்ளை பார்த்துட்டு அப்புறம் போங்க நீங்க. புரியுதா மேடம்? அந்த மாதிரி இடத்துல நீங்க போக முடியும். இப்பெல்லாம் போக கூடாது. Understand? All those people who don't understand English, Tamil, she's gone to a place in Mount Abu and there she lost her eyesight. I tell people, if you want to go to the organization, you go there when you're already married and you got grandchildren, then you go down there. Nobody bothers you. Not when you're young. Don't go there when you're young. You got lots of things. That is not the karma to go there. Understand, guys? Hello, Sarkar, you all understand what I'm trying to say? Sorry, madam. Madam, that is the thing பண்ணுங்க.
வேண்டாம்.
That is the thing பண்ணுங்க, madam. Think பண்ணுங்க. சோனாலி.
எஸ் சார்.
ஒரு கேள்வி கேட்கட்டா?
கேளுங்க சார்.
இப்போ வந்து இப்ப இந்தியால வந்து எல்லாரும் அங்க போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஒரு பொண்ணு எல்லாம் மாறி அங்க போயிட்டாங்க. அப்ப என்ன நடக்கும்?
இல்ல சார், அப்படியெல்லாம் அவங்கவுங்க ஃபேமிலியை பாத்துக்கணும் சார்.
நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, இந்தியால வந்து எல்லாம் ஜாயின் பண்ணாலும் வச்சுக்கோமே, இந்தியால இப்ப என்ன நடக்கும்?
உலகமே சுத்தாதே சார்.
இந்தியா மட்டும் தான், இந்திய உலகம் சுத்தம், சந்தோஷமா உலகம் சுத்தம். நான் என்ன கேட்டேன்னா, இந்தியால வந்து எல்லாம் ஜாயின் பண்ண சொல்லிட்டீங்களே, என்ன நடக்கும்?
தெரியல சார். எல்லாரும் ஜாயின் ஆயிட்டாங்கன்னா அப்புறம்
என்ன நடக்கும்?
எல்லாம் ப்ராப்ளம் அங்க வந்துருதுல.
சைனாக்காரன் உள்ளுக்கு வந்துருவான், பாகிஸ்தான்காரன் வந்துருவான், எல்லாம் வந்து இந்தியாவை மாறிடும். அவன்தான். ஆமாவா இல்லையா?
ஆமா ஆமா.
எல்லாம் கல்யாணம் பண்ண மாட்டீங்க, புள்ள பக்கம் செத்து போயிருவீங்க. சரியா போச்சு, அவன்தான். ஆமாவா இல்லையா?
ஆமா ஆமா ஆமா.
நினைச்சு பாருங்க, கான்செப்ட் சொன்ன கான்செப்ட் நினைச்சு பாருங்க. சரியா? உங்க பிளாக் மேஜிக் எல்லாம் போயிடுச்சு, எல்லாம் போயிடுச்சு. இப்ப வாண்ட வந்து நல்லா கண்ணை நல்லா ஹீல் பண்ணுங்க. முடியுமா?
ஓகே சார்.
கொஞ்சம் தெரியலையா? கொஞ்சமே தெரியலையா? லைஃப்ல தெரியலையா?
இப்போ ஒரு 4-5 நாளா கொஞ்சம் நிழல் தெரியுது. நடுவுல ஃபுல் விஷன் வந்துட்டு போய்டும்.
சரி, வாண்ட் எடுத்து நல்லா கண்ணை ஹீல் பண்ணுங்க. ஹீல் ஆல்சோ தி ரெட்டினா அண்ட் தி ஆப்டிக் நர்வ்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
உங்க ப்ராப்ளம் வந்து ஆப்டிக் நர்வ்ல இருக்கு. ஓகே
ஓகே.
சரியா மேடம்?
ஓகே சார்.
பை
சார். இன்னொரு ப்ராப்ளம் ஒன்னு இருக்கு. என்னோட தம்பி இருக்காப்ல. கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டாரு. அவரு எனக்கு இப்படி ஆனதுனால உங்களுக்கு சீக்கிரம் கல்யாணம் பண்ணிட்டோம் போன வருஷம்.
சரி.
கல்யாணம் ஆகி என்ன ஆயிடுத்துன்னா லைக் கொரோனானால பொண்ணை வந்து ஊருக்கு அனுப்ப முடியல.
சரி.
ஊருக்கு அனுப்ப முடியாததுனால அப்புறமா அனுப்புறதுக்கு நாங்க ரெடி ஆயிட்டோம். கொஞ்சம் லாக்டவுன் கொஞ்சம் ரிலாக்ஸ் பண்ணோன்னு. ஆனா
சரி.
சும்மா சும்மா அவங்க பொண்ணு வீட்ல இருந்து வந்து இங்க பிரச்சனை பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டாங்க.
என்ன
அப்புறம்
மாதிரி பிரச்சனை?
என்னன்னே தெரியாது. சும்மாவே அவங்க வந்து பொண்ணு வந்து புடவை கட்டக்கூடாது, பொண்ணு கோலம் போடக்கூடாது, பொண்ணு விளக்கேத்த கூடாது. அண்ட் எனிஹவ் இங்க எந்த வேலையும் இருக்காது. ஏன்னா அம்மா நானு எல்லாருமே சேர்ந்து ஒரு வேலையா செஞ்சிடுவோம்.
மேடம் அவங்கள வந்து தனி கொடுக்க போக சொல்லுங்க, சரியா போச்சு.
இல்ல இப்போ பொண்ணு வந்து போன்லயும் பேச மாட்டேங்குது. 8 மாசம் ஆயிடுத்து. பொண்ணு அம்மா வீட்டுக்கு போயிடுத்து. போய் விருந்துக்கு தான் போனாங்க. இந்த பொங்கலுக்கு பொண்ணு மாப்பிள்ளையும் போனாங்க. ஒரு வாரம் தங்கிட்டு வரேன்னு சொல்லிச்சு. அப்புறம் விட்டுட்டு வந்தோம். வரேன்னு சொல்லிச்சு. அப்புறம் 1 வீக் ஆனோன்னு என்னன்னே தெரியல, ரொம்ப ஹார்ஷா பேசிட்டு போன் எடுக்க மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. அப்புறம் யார் மூலமா பேசினாலும் இது பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. என் தம்பி போய் கூப்பிட்டுட்டு வர்றதுக்கு போனாப்ல. போனா டைவர்ஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படி இப்படின்னு. அதாவது ஒரு காரணம் இருந்தாதான் ஒரு பிரச்சனை இருக்கணும். காரணமே இல்லாம பிரச்சனை பண்றாங்கன்னா ஒண்ணுமே புரியல. டைவர்ஸ் பண்றோம்ன்றாங்க, ஒன்னும் டைவர்ஸ் நோட்டீஸும் அனுப்ப மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. இல்ல என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்னு எங்களுக்கு ஒண்ணும் புரியப்பட மாட்டேங்குது. யார் மூலமாவது பேசுறதுக்கு உட்கார வச்சாலும் வந்து அதாவது சுமூகமா பேசுற அளவுக்கு கூட அவங்களுக்கு பேஷன்ஸ் இல்ல. இது வாட்ஸ் தி ப்ராப்ளம்னே புரியல.
மேடம் எல்லாம் அந்த ஃபேமிலி மேல ஃபால்ட் மேடம். அந்த பொண்ணு தங்கிட்டு ரொம்ப வந்து கண்டதெல்லாம் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கு, அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒண்ணு இல்ல. அந்த பொண்ணு சரி வராது, சரியா?
ஓகே.
கல்யாணம் பண்ண கூட பிரச்சனை தான். உங்களுக்கு கல்யாணம் பண்ணாக்கா நீங்க உன் தம்பியை விட்டுற வேண்டியதான், தம்பி போயிடுவான். விட முடியுமா உங்களால?
தனியா இருக்கட்டும், ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல. ஆனா அந்த பொண்ணு நல்லபடியா என் தம்பியை பாத்துக்கிட்டா போதும்.
பாக்காது மேடம்.
சரி, இப்போ எப்படி வந்து அவங்கள்ட்ட இருந்து ரிலீஸ் ஆகுறது?
நீங்க தான் கேக்குறீங்க. நான் ஒரு காசு கொடுக்கணும்னு சொன்னீங்க, காசு கொடுங்க கேளுங்க.
காசு கேட்கணுமா?
இல்ல அவங்கள காசு கேளுங்க. நீங்க தான் கேட்டீங்க.
புரியலையே சார். நாங்க டவுரி கேட்கல, டவுரி வாங்காம தான் கல்யாணம் பண்ணோம். என் தம்பி நல்லா படிச்சிருக்கோம், ஆடிட்டரா இருக்கான்.
சரி, அப்பனா நீங்க கேளுங்க. இப்ப I mean what do they want? They need money for the divorce, and they want any money. What do you want?
Okay. We have to take a step ahead. Okay.
Yes. சரி, நீங்க தான் பண்றீங்க, நீங்க தான் கேட்டீங்க. நாங்க வந்து பொண்ணை மதிக்கிறோம். ஒரு பொண்ணை வந்து ஆம்பளை வந்து வற்புறுத்தி வாழக்கூடாது, அது தப்புன்னு சொல்லுங்க. நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. நாங்க வற்புறுத்தம் பண்ணோம், அது ஒரு வாழ்க்கை. போடாம ஆனா நீங்க என்ன ஒண்ணும் கேட்க கூடாது, அதே மாதிரி பண்ணி போட்டுங்க. சரியா போச்சு. சரியா மேடம்? அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்?
ஓகே ஓகே. இன்னும் 2 பிரச்சனை இருக்கு. நிறைய சொன்னாலின்னு நினைச்சுக்காதீங்க. எங்க வீடு கர்நாடகால இருக்கு, சொந்த வீடு. ஒரு 3000 ஸ்கொயர் ஃபீட். இது பாதி வீடு பாதி லேண்ட் இருக்கு. கிட்டத்தட்ட 10 இயர்ஸா நாங்க விற்கணும்னு ட்ரை பண்றோம், ஆக மாட்டேங்குது, விற்க முடிய மாட்டேங்குது.
அந்த இடத்துல வந்து யார் ஓனரு?
ஆக்சுவலா அது வந்து எங்க அப்பா வாங்கினது, எங்க அம்மா பேர்ல வாங்கியிருந்தாங்க. 10 இயர்ஸ் பிஃபோர் அம்மா என்ன பண்ணிட்டாங்கன்னா என் பேர்ல மாத்திட்டாங்க. ஒரு 7 இயர்ஸ் பிஃபோர், சாரி. சரி. அது சேல் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. சேலுக்கு வச்சா சேல் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது.
ரொம்ப ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு அந்த இடத்துல. சரியா? அந்த இடத்துல டிவைன் ஃபைட் சொல்லுங்க. அடுத்த வாட்டி கிளாஸ் பண்ணும்போது அந்த இடத்துல திங்க் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே.
ஓகே, பண்ணியாச்சு. டன்.
ஓகே, டன் சூப்பர்.
சரி, டிவைன் ஃபைட் சொல்லுங்க, அடுத்து பாப்போம்.
இன்னும் ஒண்ணு, எங்க அம்மாக்கு அடிக்கடி உடம்பு ரொம்ப முடியாம போகுது. இந்த எல்லா எமோஷனல் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கிறதுனாலயும் இருக்கலாம். எனக்கு உடம்பு முடியாதனால, என் தம்பிக்கு இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுனால. பட் நீங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு கைடன்ஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா, ஷீ இஸ் ரீடிங் PVH ஃப்ரம் பாஸ்ட் 2.5 months ரெகுலரா படிச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. லைக்
இஸ் ஃபைன்.
பண்ணனும்,
ஒண்ணும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்ல.
ஓகே ஓகே,
இஸ் ஃபைன். ஒண்ணும் இல்லையே, சரி சொல்லுங்க. அவங்க கவலைப்படாத சொல்லுங்க.
ரொம்ப நன்றி சார், ரொம்ப நன்றி. நீங்க சூப்பரான ஒரு சேவை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. உலகத்தை இன்னொரு
ஐயோ,
ஒரு
மவுண்ட் ஆபோடு நாங்க செஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கோம்.
எஸ் சார், உண்மையிலும்
என்ன
உண்மைதான் உண்மைதான். அதாவது நீங்க ஒரு வார்த்தை சொல்றீங்க இல்லையா, புவரெஸ்ட்ல இருந்து புவரெஸ்டா இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கும் இது போய் சேரணும்ன்றீங்களா, அப்ப எனக்கு அப்படியே மனசே கலங்கிடுது. அது 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 உண்மையான சேவை, ஒரிஜினல். இது யாரும் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. நீங்க இந்த கலியுகத்துல இந்த நேரத்துல நீங்க காட் கிஃப்ட் உங்களுக்கு, அந்த கிஃப்ட நீங்க எல்லாருக்கும் கிஃப்டா கொடுக்குறீங்க. அது கிரேட்.
சரி, பை, பாப்போம். பை.
Thank you. நன்றி.
Bye. Take care. Bye. Okay, guys, next. Anybody else? Who is next? Swarupa Rani, the lady from Bhubaneswara, the land of the sun gods. Madam, why you make sun god, madam, when the sun is in front of you? Why make sun temple when sun is a big sun in front of you? Every day you can see, early morning you can see, until evening, sunrise, sunset. And you make a temple for what, madam? Why, madam?
Yes, sir, we are seeing the sun.
You know why, madam? Because they want to control people. They want to control people. So don't go. Come to pray to me. I am the thing. I am the sun god. Come and pray to me. Come here. Sit down. When the sun is outside there, madam.
Which is visible. He is visible.
Yes, madam. Visible. They are right in front of you. Pray to him. That was what the grandfather was doing. Great-grandfather was doing, madam. But now they make a temple and they give him a name. What's the name of sun god? Indra. Is it Indra? Sun god name is Indra. What's the name of sun god, madam? Is it Indra?
No.
Surya.
Yeah.
The sun god is the god of all the gods, isn't it? Something like that. I don't know.
God of the all gods.
Something like that. They put all kind of names, madam. So Surya Namaskara. You look at the sun, Surya Namaskara. All kind of stuff. Anyway, so what's the issue, madam?
See, I have a land in Bhubaneswar. We want to construct sun. We gave money to the advanced way contractor. He's not doing any work and is not lifting the phone. He is not talking and not doing the work. Where lies the problem? We don't know.
Madam, very sad to say, I will say answer to find another contractor now, madam. Can you find another contractor?
Okay.
That's all, madam. This fellow is not going to do anything.
No, this money, sir, what he has taken, how will return that money?
Do divine fire for him, do divine fire for the money, and let's pay up to Surya Namaskara and say, give the money, come back to me.
Since 7 months, since I joined previous, I'm doing that.
Yes, madam. Sometimes you must understand. That fellow would have taken the money and did something and the money is gone. What can the fellow do, madam? Understand? Not everybody is so sincere in their work, madam. Sometimes people use the money and cheat you. What are you going to do?
But if I change the contract.
What, madam? What, madam?
If we change the contractor, take somebody else, can the work be done, sir?
Yes, do it properly. Write some target dates. Put all the money, how the money put properly, and get a good man with track record and get done. Okay, there's no negativity, just that you got the wrong contract the first time. That's all.
Thank God. Thank you. I'll look for another contractor.
Yes.
But he is not answering, and does he return the money? So that is a big problem. Nowadays.
I understand, madam. I understand, madam. I understand. Okay, tell him this is the question. We're going to find another contractor. If you're not able to give us a proper answer, we'll move on and we'll take legal action for the money. Have you got documentation to say he took your money, madam? Have you got legal documents?
Yeah, legal documents.
Then we take outside court case, madam. As usual, madam, Indian court case will take many, many years. Yes or no?
Yes.
Some of the money you spend on the legal document more than the money he owe you, madam.
Yeah.
This is the whole trouble, madam. Sometimes we'll be very, very careful what we do, madam. We'll be very, very careful.
Guys, I use somebody else to threaten him to return the money.
Well, you can try and see, madam. But that fellow also, that guy is going to threaten, will also take money from you also, madam.
Yeah. And he'll take money. I do not have money. See,
he'll take money from you and he'll take money from him also, madam. You never know. He'll take money from both of you people. Understand?
Okay.
Try your best. Madam. Try your best.
Change
Okay,
the contractor and get the work done.
I think you find another contractor and you concentrate on the work and your target of making a commercial complex. Focus on that, madam. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye, madam. Bye. Shivananda Sivoji. GOG.
అది చెప్తున్నాడు కదా.
Where's his boy? Mr. Shivoji, you are the one torturing me about the flood and rain and the river and going to close the village, eh?
Yeah, sir.
Finally, the village got flooded.
Now village is transferred from another village, sir. Government is announced.
It's going to another village now. Your village is fine.
Yeah.
The other village, no. So who had accident? You had accident. You had a minor pain. The other friend lost his leg. My God, what happened, my friend?
शिवानंद सर पूछ रहे हैं क्या हुआ था?
उस दिन हम गाँव हलियाल हमारे ताल्लुक से हम गाँव को जा रहे थे। उस दिन वन में थे ट्रैक्टर और हम जा रहे थे और मैंने उसको ओवर अटैक करने के लिए आगे गया, लेकिन आगे बोले तो रोड खराब था और रोड खराब मिस करने के लिए उसने ट्रैक्टर मेरे ऊपर चढ़ा दिया, मेरे दोस्त के ऊपर।
So they were trying to overtake a car and the road was bad, so that car tried to save himself from the bad road and he dashed into these people.
ट्रैक्टर मैडम।
हाँ जी?
ट्रैक्टर
sir. Okay, it was a tractor, sir.
Just bad luck, madam. That's all. No dark and just bad luck.
Okay, sir बोल रहे हैं कोई डार्क एनर्जी नहीं है आपको, ये सिर्फ आपका खराब नसीब था।
Just bad luck, my friend. Just bad luck. If it's, maybe you can say that negative energy for the boy. The boy had a lot of negative energy. That's all.
Which boy, sir? The one who was.
Yes, the one who was driving with him.
Okay, जो ड्राइविंग कर रहा था उसको बहुत ज्यादा डार्क एनर्जी से, तो आप उसके लिए डिवाइन फायर करो शिवानंद। आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
तो मेरे साथ और एक फ्रेंड था, उसका फुट लॉस है उसका।
हाँ, तो उसके लिए ही सर बोल रहे हैं कि उसको बहुत ज्यादा डार्क एनर्जी थी, उसको लिए उसके लिए डिवाइन फायर करिए।
ओके।
Otherwise they're fine, madam.
Okay,
the boy have to survive without leg. His karma. The boy's karma to lose the leg in this lifetime.
Okay, वो लड़के का खराब नसीब था और उसके कर्म खराब थे, इसके लिए उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ। And sir, he's even having a question about his mother, sir.
What's on the mother?
His mother, sir. It's written in this.
Okay. A mother, if there's a toothache after healing, pain 0. As soon as one pain subsides, another pain comes, like stomach ache, head pain. Tell a mother her body is very, very acidic. And mother got lots of emotion to do with herself and her husband, father.
Okay. शिवानंद, आपकी मम्मी का स्टमक बहुत ज्यादा एसिडिक है, उनको खाना सुधारना होगा और मम्मी को पापा की वजह से काफी सारे इमोशंस हैं, तो जो लेडीज के एफर्मेशन है वो मम्मी को पढ़ने होंगे।
ओके मैडम, वन मोर क्वेश्चन, वो मैंने उसमें लिखा नहीं है। मेरे पापा के भैया है ना, वो अम्मी पहले जॉइंट फैमिली था, अभी डिवाइड हुए, फिर भी एक ही घर में रहते हैं। हमारी बड़ी माँ है वो हमेशा मेरे माँ से चिढ़ती है, लड़ाई करने के लिए वेट करती रहती है। फिर मम्मा कुछ तो बोल देती तो मम्मा नाराज होकर इमोशनली रोने लगती है।
तो वही सर बोल रहे हैं ना कि आपके मम्मी को आपके पापा और उनके फैमिली से काफी सारे नेगेटिव इमोशंस हैं, तो उसको कम करने के लिए मम्मी को एफर्मेशन पढ़ने होंगे शिवानंद।
पापा के लिए भी एफर्मेशन उसमें डालकर पढ़ना होगा कि पापा के लिए फॉरगिवनेस मांग रहे हो, ऐसा?
वो मैं आपको बोलती हूँ बाद में, फिर मैं आपको मैसेज करके अपन बात कर लेते हैं। और कोई क्वेश्चन है बच्चा?
आगे है मैडम।
हाँ सर, देयर इज इवन समथिंग विद हिज सिस्टर।
Is that?
Sister, sir.
What a sister?
Yes sir, number 3 and number 4 is written for his father and sister.
Now, can they ever change the diet for piles? Can they change the diet? Can the father read forgiveness now? Can the father read?
आपके पापा forgiveness affirmation पढ़ेंगे? Yes sir, he's reading already.
पढ़ते हैं।
Father got a lot of negative, all coming from his own family. He must read forgiveness and sit on the blessing today.
Okay. आपके पापा को उनके खुद के फैमिली से बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिव एनर्जी आ रही है, तो उनको आज ब्लेसिंग्स, सर के ब्लेसिंग्स में बैठने को बोलिए और फॉरगिवनेस एफर्मेशन रखें अपने साथ वो।
वो सिस्टर की
Okay, now you say my sister, event management. Okay. Now a lot of COVID, there's no more event, my friend. How?
लेकिन अभी यहाँ तो कोविड की वजह से तो फंक्शन तो चल रहे हैं।
सर वही बोल रहे हैं कि कोविड की वजह से कोई फंक्शंस नहीं होते, तो आपकी बहन क्या करते हैं इवेंट्स में?
नहीं, और एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, इवेंट मैनेजमेंट हमारे तालुक में और एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उनको मिल रहे हैं लेकिन इनको नहीं मिल रहे हैं।
So he is telling that there is another event manager in their area who is getting all the work, but his sister is not getting.
Where is sister?
आपकी बहन कहाँ है शिवानंद?
In home, sir. I'm going now.
So
you go now and make her call me. Okay, I'll talk to her.
Okay sir. Okay. शिवानंद सर बोल रहे हैं आप वहाँ से जाके आपकी बहन को साथ में रख के सर के साथ बात करवाइएगा।
ओके, मैंने आप सर बोल रहे थे कि विलेज के बारे में, पानी के बारे में तो आया था ना, उसके लिए मैं टेस्टिमोनी किया था, लेकिन मेरा फोन लॉस हो गया, टूट गया, इसकी वजह से वो वीडियो भी गया।
हाँ तो ठीक है, आप बाद में दूसरा भेज दीजिएगा शिवानंद।
मैं अभी वीडियो और अच्छी तरीके से बनेगा, सर को बोलिए ना।
शिवानंद ठीक है, बात कर लेंगे। अभी सर को अभी दूसरे भी काफी लोगों का प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट करना है, तो आप ये टेस्टिमोनी वाला वीडियो का बात बाद में करिएगा। Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Shivanand. Thank you.
What's it, Rema? He wants to say something.
और एक मैडम, मेरे दूसरे के पति कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है, काम लेकर काम करवाते हैं, उनके काम खत्म होने के बाद उनको टाइम से पैसे नहीं मिलते। 3-4 साल के भी पैसे पेंडिंग है, लाख तो 3 लाख 2 लाख पेंडिंग है। Hello.
What?
Hello.
What is saying?
Srinidhi ma'am, did you understand?
No. What he's saying?
शिवानंद आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
मेरे सिस्टर के पति कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है, काम लेकर काम करवाते हैं, बिल्डिंग वगैरह बनाना।
आपकी सिस्टर
के पति।
ओके हाँ।
उनके वो काम खत्म होने के बाद कोई भी
tell him that people they must be here to ask the question.
ओके शिवानंद, आप सबके बारे में जिनके भी बारे में बोल रहे हैं ना, वो यहाँ सामने साथ में होने चाहिए, तो सर प्रॉब्लम निकाल सकते, उसका सोल्यूशन दे सकते हैं। आप सबके बारे में पूछेंगे और वो लोग यहाँ नहीं होंगे तो कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है। इसीलिए सर ने बोला कि आप जिनके बारे में पूछना चाहते हैं उनको साथ में रख के फिर सर से बात करिएगा। ओके Yeah, thank you
sir, love you.
Yeah, take care my friend.
Thank you ma'am, thank you.
Yeah. Mayura Kali.
Yes, I am here. Are you able to hear me, sir?
Very well. Problem of complete hearing loss on right ear.
Yes,
medical language, idiopathic, sensorineural hearing loss. MRI on heart and brain both normal. Doctors say the artery supplying the auditory nerve is blocked or inflamed. Solution: wait and watch till December 2021. Might be irreversible, maybe reversible. Okay. Next, please guide, heal, and give blessing. Where is this girl? Mayura.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you married?
Yes, sir. I am married since 21 years.
Okay. Where's your husband?
My husband is with me. Actually, we are traveling. We have took the darshan of Tirupati today, and we are moving back to Maharashtra.
Okay, you ask Tirupati Bahar. Then bye. Next question, please. Bye, madam. We wish you all the best of luck in Tirupati. Thank you very much. Bye. Next. Mala Vikam.
Yes, I'm here.
The president, I quickly forgot what I'm learning. Actually, it's been a while since this started. I had an exam last week ago, and question I have learned is the same that appears in the exam paper, but I could not recollect anything that I read well. My mind is becoming totally blank, and if I think about it after a while, I still do not remember that I learned. Oh my God. Since then, I always had nightmares and get emotional quickly. When I get scared or tense, my hands get cold. All of a sudden, the heart beats increases and I cannot control myself. Okay? Now, girl, where are you now? Oh, you are there, right? Malavika, where's your father?
My father died 9 years ago.
Oh, your father died 9 years ago. Girl, why? What happened?
I don't know. It says suicide.
Are you sure?
Yes. I don't know the reasons.
But there's a lot of. Where's your mother?
My mother is not here.
You're
She's
alone in
working.
the house. Mother working. Now listen to me, girl. There's a lot of dark energy in the family disturbing the whole family.
Okay, sir.
Your father died because of dark energy, black magic. You understand? Your father died because of black magic, so it's very, very strong. It's still there. Come to your whole family. Now, when your mother come back, how long will your mother take to come back home?
9 a.m.
9 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Now it's what time is it now?
It's 7.
7. So we won't be able to meet her today. No, because I need her to sit down and identify some people in order for me to remove the black magic that's in the family. That's all your problem is. That's all. Everything's blocking you from moving forward. The black magic is moving you and your mother and everybody else. You're the only child, or is there another child?
I have a sister.
How is she?
She's studying.
She's fine. She has no problem.
She's fine.
So now your mother must come, talk to me. We'll remove the dark energy from the family. Okay? Can you do that?
Okay, sir.
I can't help you now. Okay?
Okay.
How old are you?
Sorry, sir.
How old are you, girl?
I'm 23.
What are you studying now?
I'm studying MSc Zoology.
MSc?
Zoology.
Why they call zoology? You all go to the zoo or not? No, I'm very interested about zoology. Is it got something to do with zoo? No.
No.
That's the only word. The zoo is for the zoo. Why is it zoology? What does it mean, zoology?
Animals, sir, regarding animals.
Then why they call animalogy? Why zoology?
I don't know, sir.
Do you study about insects?
We study everything. Every organism.
Insects.
Insects. Animals. Ourselves.
But you don't study to cure them. No. You're not like a veterinarian. You're not like a veterinarian. Are you?
No.
Do they teach you about nature beings of all insects and the insect kingdom, nature beings of them?
Yes, sir.
Hey, they teach about nature beings.
No, sir. Sir, biology is divided into botany and zoology, sir. Botany, they will think about all the plants and trees, everything, and they will learn all the living things.
I think they should use the word animalogy. Or the one who works the plant called botanist, Botanist, Yes, zoology, animals, Okay, whatever, girl, no problem. You take yourself, get your mother to come and talk to me, and then I'll heal you, okay?
Okay, sir.
Got it? Thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bijal. Where's Bijal? Is Bijal here?
Yes, sir. Good evening,
Okay,
sir.
Bijal, I am following PVH is 3 months, 3 years. I have an issue with my health. I cannot digest food like garlic, onion, pepper, green chilies. All these are very bad for the stomach, you know. You know that or not?
Rima, please, sir, no speaking English. Rima, ma'am.
You know speaking, I know speaking Hindi. You speak Hindi or what are you speaking?
Sorry.
You speak Hindi?
Yes, sir. Hindi and Gujarati she speaks.
Gujarati.
Yes.
No, then you follow Jain. You become Jainist. No garlic, no onion. Why? No problem.
The all Gujaratis are not Jains, sir.
I know. I ask her to become a Jain. That's all. So no onion, no chili. Very happy. Nothing to worry about.
Sir, she can't even eat bajra and other pulses or grains because they are quite hot in nature.
All allergy for her. Next time I come and heal her. All allergy.
Okay, sir.
All allergy. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She got allergy for 7 items.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir. And sir, she has another 2 queries also. Like 5 years before.
5 years ago, money was stolen from my cupboard. How much money? How many lakh? Or how many crores?
કેટલા પૈસા હતા બીજલ?
હા?
કેટલા પૈસા ચોરી થયા હતા સર પૂછે છે?
પેલા 3000 ચોરી થઈ ગયા હતા, પછી 9000 ચોરી થઈ ગયા હતા. એટલે બે વાર આવી રીતે મારા કબાટમાંથી ગયા છે.
Sir, twice money has been stolen. Once it was 3,000 rupees and another time it was 9,000 rupees.
9,000 rupees. Why she put 9,000 rupees so much money in the cupboard? Huh? Tell her somebody she knows took it. Forget about one lady. Forget about it. Gone. Be careful with the money. That's all.
સર કે છે પૈસા ભૂલી જાઓ, કોઈક લેડીએ ઉપાડ્યા છે એ પૈસા, ઈ ભૂલી જાઓ હવે પૈસા તમે.
Okay, it's not going to come back. Money is gone already. So stop worrying about it. Take care and make sure the money is properly safe. That's all. Finish.
Okay, sir.
અને અમારી રીમા મેમ, અમારી સોસાયટી આખી પૂરી કબ્રસ્તાન ઉપર બનેલી છે, તો એમના માટે
ઈ લખ્યું છે. Sir, her entire society is built on a cemetery. So could there be issues because of that?
No, the money is gone with somebody else, but the whole society got issued because of the cemetery. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 souls in that place.
Okay.
Ask her to take a picture and send him an email under haunted complex.
Okay, sir.
Haunted colony. Put under cemetery, it's going to be heal a place. Okay, take a cemetery picture of complex, put on there, say I've been living here. This place is built on a cemetery and all that stuff. Then we have it. Okay, we'll do it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah.
What cemetery? Indian cemetery?
Yes, sir. એટલે આપણા હિન્દુની સેમેટ્રી હતી કે કોની હતી સર પૂછે છે?
હા,
કબ્રસ્તાન સર, કબ્રસ્તાનમાં તો બિલકુલ મુસ્લિમ સેમેટ્રી સર.
Oh, I thought they don't remove them, huh? They bury them, they don't remove them.
So maybe they must have constructed on it. They must have not removed it. They must have not removed it. They must have done the construction over it, maybe.
Oh my God, that's very bad. Ask her, please. Ask her the real story.
એટલે શું હતું સર પૂછે છે કે આજે તમે કહો છો કબ્રસ્તાન ઉપર હતું, તો એ લોકો એમ કબ્રસ્તાનને ડિગ તો કરે નહીં, તો પછી આ તમારી સોસાયટી બની કેવી રીતે સર પૂછે છે?
હા, પણ મારે તો શાદી કરી લગ્ન કરીને 10 વર્ષ થયા, પણ આની પહેલાની 30 વર્ષથી આ સોસાયટી બનેલી છે, એટલે મને આની કોઈ બીજો આઈડિયા નથી. આ જે લોકો રહે છે એ લોકો કહે છે કે આખી સોસાયટી કબ્રસ્તાન ઉપરથી જ બનેલું છે આ બિલ્ડિંગ.
Okay, so she's married 10 years. She's married 10 years back, and the society is 30 years old. She doesn't know much about it.
Ask her to go and find out. Okay. And
sure.
Send her email info@Pranavali Healing and a picture of the place, and then we'll talk about it in the class on the haunted places in India.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Bijal sir.
Lot of souls. 100, 200, 300, 400 souls. 400, 500 souls are there.
Okay, sir. બીજલ સરે કીધું તમારા એરિયામાં 500 souls છે, તો પ્લીઝ તમે તમારી સોસાયટીનો ફોટો પાડો, ડિટેલ્સ બધું પૂછા કરો અને સરને ઈમેલ કરીને હોન્ટેડ પ્લેસીસ તરીકે એમાં આપી દો મેસેજ, તો સર એને હીલ કરી આપશે પ્લેસને. ઓકે?
ઓકે, અચ્છા અચ્છા. હા હા. અને આ મારા હસબન્ડના 10 લાખ રૂપિયા ગયા છે, એ પણ પૂછી લો સરને.
Sir, her husband has lost 10 lakh rupees. સેમાં ગયા છે?
Where he lost it? Where he lost it?
બેંકમાં કોઈ ડબલમાં મૂકેલા છે, ઘણા બધા રૂપિયા, એ બધી બેંક બંધ થઈ ગઈ છે, એમાં બધામાં 10 લાખ રૂપિયા ગયા છે.
So the banks have gone bankrupt.
શેર બજારમાં પણ ગયા છે.
Even stocks, shares, sir.
Even the bank go bankrupt. The federal bank will support them. You know, that's why I know. Federal bank will support them. No.
No, sir. In India, it doesn't happen that way. No, sir. If your money is gone, if a bank goes bankrupt, you have to forget your money. Depends. If they have a merger, they will give you the money. Otherwise, you have to forget.
10 minutes बोलना.
Oh my God.
So, sir, can she expect that money back?
I don't see the answer, madam.
Okay, sir. બીજલ સરને કઈ લાગતું નથી પૈસા પાછા આવે એવા?
અચ્છા.
So put the money in the bank also not safe, huh?
Yes, sir. In India, it's not safe.
My God. That's why they give very high interest to encourage, come, huh? Give very high interest, huh?
No, sir. Now the interest rate is 4.5 and 5%.
You know, in those days in Malaysia, they will put money in India to get 11% interest, you know.
So those days are gone. Now we get 4.5%.
No, the Malaysians put money in Indian banks, to get more money. I was surprised. People put a lot of money from here, put money there to get 11%, 11, 10%, interest, Those days. I'm talking about 20, 30 years ago, not now, 30 years ago. Okay, now mind what to do.
Thank you, Vijay. Srinidhi ma'am, Sandeep Makhija and even Samir Naik's father is here.
Sandeep, liver cirrhosis. Where's this man, Sandeep?
So it's this lady, Sonia.
Yes, it's my husband.
Yes, Sonia. No, where's Sandeep? Sandeep here?
Sandeep, not yet. सर वो बिजनेस 2010 में लॉस हुआ, उसके बाद से बिजनेस ही नहीं कर पाए. ट्रांसपोर्ट लाइन का बिजनेस था और इसके बाद ये लीवर सिरोसिस प्रॉब्लम आ गया और ही सफरिंग फ्रॉम लीवर सिरोसिस टिल नाउ.
So he lost some money and his business of transport in 2010, and he's not been able to earn any money after that, and he's suffering from liver sclerosis now.
Madam, does he drink? Any bad habit?
Yes, he drink, but he छोड़ दिया. उसके बाद 2012 में इन्होंने ड्रिंक छोड़ दिया after 2 years.
So he stopped drinking after 2012. Earlier he used to drink.
How many years drinking, madam?
सोनिया जी कितने साल ड्रिंक किया उन्होंने?
20 years मतलब होगा. आफ्टर मैरिज आई मतलब 10-15 साल तो होगा. 10 years, 10-12 years.
Madam, liver problem 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% because of bad habit, madam. Okay, now a lot of healing has to be happening. Okay, stop eating a lot of food that are dull. Stop eating a lot of oily food. Start healing. Maybe you got to start eating a lot of green vegetables to help the liver to heal itself, madam. Do liver flush. Do all of these things, madam. 1, 2, 3 liver flush you must do every month.
क्या बोला सोनिया?
Money blockage, financial
Money
problem.
blockage because of a lot of dark energy. Where's the husband? Is he following PVH?
क्या बोल रहे सर?
सोनिया जी सर पूछ रहे हैं वो PVH फॉलो करते हैं, एफर्मेशंस वगैरह पढ़ते हैं?
Yes, I show him and कभी-कभी.
Madam, ask him read, madam. Ask him read, madam.
वो खुद पढ़ते हैं, उनको काफी सारी ब्लॉक्स और डार्क एनर्जीज हैं.
Okay.
Madam, he has to read, madam.
Okay, for me, sir.
He has to read, madam. Can he read, please?
सोनिया जी वो पढ़ेंगे, सर पूछ रहे फॉरगिवनेस एफर्मेशन वगैरह वो पढ़ेंगे?
I make him to read.
Yes, madam. Make him read, please. Please, madam. Sit down the blessing. He's got lots of block in his business, a lot of block with himself, madam. Okay, madam. Not only health, but also money block, everything. Success, physical, all lot. Make him sit down. Ask him to follow, madam. Please ask him to follow.
Okay.
Why the man very difficult to follow, madam? I don't understand. Make him read, madam, please. Make him read, okay?
Yes.
सोनिया जी सर बोल रहे हैं प्लीज उनको पढ़ने को कन्विंस करिएगा, प्लीज उनको बोलिएगा पढ़ने के लिए. उनको अच्छा होना है तो उनको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. आप पढ़ाओगे उससे ज्यादा फायदा नहीं होता है ना. फायदा होता है लेकिन खुद करेंगे तो ज्यादा होता है ना.
और मेरा सर माय फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम.
Madam, husband's energy blocking you, madam.
आपके हस्बैंड की एनर्जी आपको ब्लॉक कर रही है मैम.
But I am trying to do all things, but वही रिकवरी नहीं हो पा रही. घर में जो यही.
Madam, husband's energy blocking you.
Okay.
Sir, can she do divine fire for her husband?
Can, madam, of course.
सोनिया जी आप अपने हस्बैंड के लिए डिवाइन फायर करिए, आपको उससे शायद फायदा होगा.
Okay, okay. Cord cutting and divine fire, na?
हाँ जी.
He has to read affirmation to remove.
Yes, ma'am. I told her.
She's telling cutting the cord. No cutting the cord.
Okay, maybe my net is bad.
So who else? Who is next?
Ma'am, only Samir Nakrani. He was to talk to his father with sir. That's the last man.
But his father is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is on call, ma'am.
So what's her number?
57.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Father there? Father there?
Yeah, sir. He's on call, sir.
Has he read forgiveness?
Yes, sir. I also read, and he has also read.
Tell you that a lot of people are not happy with him. Take page number 7 to read to all those people not happy with him because of the work that I'm doing. 100, 200, 300. What business that you got? So many people are not happy with you.
Okay, sir. Sir, we are doing construction business, sir.
Yes, sir. A lot of people are not happy with them. Maybe your suppliers, I don't know who your owners, the banks, the people, a lot of people. Okay. So now he must give forgiveness if possible. Every week must give 2 people food.
Okay, sir.
Get some food, put 10 rupees or 5 rupees, whatever you want to give. Go and give to 2 poor people and start saying whatever we are giving, money and food will return to us and our business and our family many, many more times. The more we are receiving, the more we are giving. If something good starts to happen, give maybe 2 people, give 4 people. And then finally, every week, give as many people as you can. Understand, from the business and money that comes inside. Understand, my friend?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Start doing that. Find 2 people every week now for a start.
Okay, sir.
Feed them.
Okay.
People need money, people need food. That's all. Okay? Start doing it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
And who is Waheda Jan? 26, number 26. He wants to ask for
Hello,
Gulsar.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, I am daughter of Sayyid Gulzar Begum, sir. Sir, see, my mother is from past 6 years. She is on bed, sir. Completely on bed, sir. Past 6 years, sir. We are doing this practice of healing from PVH from 2 years, sir.
Why?
Every day my don't know, sir. Doctor said that because of CNS vasculitis, that 90% of her brain got damaged, sir.
Can I tell you
This
something?
is-
Girl? It's a karma.
Sir,
It's a karma in this lifetime.
it's for lifetime, sir.
This is a karma in this lifetime. Karma.
Oh, okay, sir. But she's suffering a lot with pain, sir.
Yes.
She's
Can you all let her go? Can you all let her go?
okay, sir.
Can you all let her go?
మీరు ఆవిడని వెళ్ళిపోవటానికి ఇష్టపడుతున్నారా అని అడుగుతున్నారు సార్ వహీదా.
ఇప్పుడు అవును మేడం, ఇప్పుడు ఇంత ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారు కదా, సో ఇంకా రికవరీ కూడా రాదు కాబట్టి ఇంకా అదే అనుకుంటున్నాం మేడం.
Yes, sir. They are agreeing for the.
One lady don't want to let go.
ఒక లేడీ ఎవరో ఆపుతున్నారట. ఒక లేడీ ఎవరు నువ్వా?
లేదు మేడం, నేను కూడా ఇంకా ఇంత ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారని నేను కూడా ప్రేయర్ దేవుడిని తీసుకెళ్ళిపోమని చేస్తున్నాను మేడం.
చెప్పు అది సార్కి.
Sir, I am praying to God to take her with peace.
Not only you. No, don't say take care and go. Don't say peace. Take care and go. Finish. Don't give condition.
Okay, sir. She is suffering a lot, sir. She can't. She's screaming in pain for hours and hours, sir.
When you say God take her, go in peace. Okay, then when's the peace going to come? She's in so much of pain. Then there'll be no pain. Then the peace when then will go. So tell her, God, take her whenever the time is right for her to go. Finish.
Okay, sir.
So not only you must ask forgiveness, your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, everybody must ask forgiveness and let her go. Understand?
Sure, sir.
She's suffering enough. Understand, my friend? Sometimes we must let people
sir.
go.
She suffered a lot, sir.
Exactly. This is the
She
karma.
screamed for continued 12 to 16 hours, sir. Because of her, we all got weak, sir.
Right. So now let her go. Take the affirmation, show in the Ajna Chakra. Understand?
Okay, sir. We are
Think
showing,
of her,
sir.
think
and
of
we
her,
are
think of her, think of her, think of her.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see what happens. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Right. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Let's see what's God's plan for her.
Batmaja, madam.
Yes, madam.
Who is here, madam, for in the Telugu remaining
Sir,
people?
MLN Rao next to 21, he is not present, madam.
Okay.
Next to Fadilat Sheikh. Fadilat Sheikh.
Number? Yeah.
Fazilat Sheikh.
Yes. I know. What about the Soumya and Lavanya? Sir said they have some.
Yes, Soumya not lifted the phone, madam. Again and again I am trying, but she is not lifting the phone.
Okay. Fazila, right? Yeah.
Yes. Madam, మీరు ఉన్నారా ఫాజిలత్ గారు?
మేడం.
Yes.
మేడం.
Yes, madam. She is present.
Yeah. Ask her what's the problem, ma'am.
Sciatica pain and edema problem, madam. And edema. వాటర్ బాడీలో వాటర్ వస్తూ ఉంటుంది అండ్ కొంచెం ఎక్కువగా స్ట్రెస్ అవుతున్నాను. ప్లస్ ఏమో ఎక్కువగా స్ట్రెయిన్ అయిపోతున్నాను. తొందరగా నీస్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఏ పని కూడా యాక్టివ్ గా చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నాను. అండ్ ప్రతి చిన్నదానికి కూడా నాకు టెన్షన్ అనేది వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఈ మధ్యనే మా అమ్మగారు చనిపోయారు. అప్పటి నుంచి కూడా కొంచెం టెన్షన్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఎమోషనల్ హీలింగ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను, పర్లేదు కొంచెం. బట్ మళ్ళీ నాకు అప్పుడప్పుడు అలా అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే, మీరు పోలియో అని చెప్పనా సార్కి?
మేడం ఇంకోటి కూడా, అది మా హస్బెండ్ అదే 18 years నుంచి కూడా క్యాంప్స్ లోనే ఉంటున్నారు. అండ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ గా కూడా గ్రోత్ లేదు. అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీకి దూరంగా ఉండి ఇంత కష్టపడుతున్నా కానీ ఫైనాన్షియల్ గ్రోత్ లేదు. మాకు చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేస్తున్నాము.
Sir, she is having the sciatica pain and rheumatoid arthritis, sir, and she is very much emotional, sir. Previous months, her mother died because of corona. After that, she is facing so many problems, sir.
Is she married?
Yes, sir. She married, and her husband away from her, sir. 18 years he is on camps only.
Lots of black magic in the family because of husband, madam.
మీ హస్బెండ్ మూలంగా చాలా బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్ ఉందని చెప్తున్నారు మేడం.
హస్బెండ్ మూలంగా అది ఎలా రిమూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి?
ఆయన ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. ఆయన ఎఫర్మేషన్స్ చదివి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ లో కూర్చుంటే పోతుంది. లేకపోతే ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఉన్నా కూడా సారు 7th పేజ్ చదివినా కూడా తీస్తారు సారు.
ఆయన ఫాలో అవ్వరు మేడం. ఫ్యామిలీలో నేను ఒకదాన్ని ఫాలో అవుతాను.
ఓకే.
అదే ముస్లిమ్స్?
Yes, sir, Muslims.
Even the husband doing black magic, madam?
Her husband.
Even the husband doing black magic, madam?
మీ హస్బెండ్ కూడా బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్ చేస్తున్నారట మీకు?
మా హస్బెండ్ కూడా నాకు బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్ చేస్తున్నారు.
అవును. He is away from her, sir. He is keep on roaming in the cities. He is not staying with her.
Sit down today. We remove the black magic on her. You got a lot of black on the husband itself and everything.
కూర్చోమంటున్నారు సారు, బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్ తీసేస్తాను అంటున్నారు మేడం.
Next, then only she can start healing. Stop eating acidic food.
Yes, sir. I already told to her, sir. She is following somewhat, and she is doing emotional freedom healing also.
Okay, she's fine now. Let her remove all the things, then we heal her.
బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ లో కూర్చోండి మేడం. సారు
నేనా మేడం?
ఫస్ట్ చదివేసేసి ఆజ్ఞాచక్రం ఎదుర్కొండ పెట్టుకొని కూర్చోండి సార్ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ లో. ఓకేనా?
ఇప్పుడా మేడం?
ఇప్పుడు కాదు, బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయాక బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ దొరుకుతాయి కదా మనకి అప్పుడు.
ఓకే మేడం. నాకు ఏమన్నా బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్ గానీ ఏమన్నా బ్లాక్స్ గానీ ఏమన్నా ఉన్నాయా మేడం?
అదే మేడం సార్ చెప్తున్నారు కదా, మీరు కూర్చోండి.
ఓకే, అది మేము కలిసి ఉంటాం మేడం. హస్బెండ్ నా దగ్గరికి వచ్చేస్తారా? ఒక చోట కలిసి ఉంటామా?
Sir, she is asking that she want to live with her husband, sir. Is it possible? She is asking, sir.
When the black magic go away, then it's possible.
Black magic పోతే అది పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందని చెప్తున్నారు మేడం.
ఓకే మేడం.
Yeah, but when that man himself doing black magic, how, madam?
మీ హస్బెండే మీకు బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్ పంపుతుంటే ఎలా అని అడుగుతున్నారు సార్.
ఆయన ఎలా పంపిస్తున్నా నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు మేడం. అసలు మా హస్బెండ్ బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్ ఎలా పంపిస్తున్నారంటే.
ఏమో. ఓకే మేడం, మీరు సెట్టింగ్స్ లో కూర్చోండి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే ఓకే మేడం, కూర్చుంటాను.
Madam, what number is next, madam?
ఈ సయాటికా పెయిన్ అది మొత్తం మరి దానికి కూడా హీలింగ్ చేస్తారా మేడం?
పెయిన్స్ కి దేనికి హీలింగ్ మీకు మీరు చేసుకోవాలండి. పెయిన్ కి హీలింగ్ సార్ బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్ రిమూవ్ చేస్తే కనుక హీలింగ్ దానంతా అదే అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా?
అదే అయితే మేడం చాలా చేసుకుంటున్నాను మేడం, చాలా బాగా పెయిన్ వస్తుంది ఎక్కువగా.
నేను మళ్ళీ మీకు చెప్తాను, మీరు నాకు కాల్ చేయండి, నేను చెప్తాను. ఇది ఈ సెషన్ లో ఓకేనా?
ఓకే మేడం, ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
కిరణ్మయి, నాగలక్ష్మి ఉన్నారా? నాగలక్ష్మి, కిరణ్ మేడం, కిరణ్మయి.
Kiran Mai, hello sir. My age is 44. I met an accident in age 2011. There are 7 fractures. You close your uterus. Kota Yamai. My voice listening. Just unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Good. 4 surgeries. My legs were all right, but now I cannot sit for more than 5 minutes. I get numbness in both legs, so that I have to change my position. For the last 20 years, I'm having white discharge problem. I've used many medicine, but no use. Last year, I came to know that I am a diabetic. Without using medicine, I have controlled my diet. Very good. My sugar level is normal, but now I lost 6 kgs in 1 year. Okay, fine. Okay, now listen to me, girl. Now listen to me. You still have a lot of dark energy coming to you because of your father. Where's your father? Now you mute. Now you unmute. Where's your father?
I am in Guntur, sir. He is in Mangalagiri, sir.
Can he forgiveness?
Yes, sir.
Can he forgiveness?
Yes, sir.
ఆయన చదువుతారా? ఫర్గివ్నెస్ అని అడుగుతున్నారు.
ఓ నాన్న లేదు మేడం, ఇంకా ఆయనకి ఏమి చెప్పలేదు. నేను కూడా మొన్ననే కదా
No sir, he is not following PVS and he is not supposed to read the affirmation.
No, but he is every day affecting her a lot.
Madam?
Sir?
The father's negative energy affecting her a lot.
నాన్న వల్లనే వస్తుంది.
మీ ఫాదర్ ఎనర్జీ మూలంగా మీకు చాలా బ్లాక్ మ్యాజిక్.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
So your father must read, and then things will start to change. And then very difficult.
Okay, sir.
Can your father read?
I am asked to read, sir.
You send an affirmation to WhatsApp name when you sit down today. A short while. I help you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, girl?
ఇప్పుడు వాట్సాప్ లో అఫర్మేషన్స్ పంపించండి. ఈ ఫాదర్ ని చదివి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ లో కూర్చోమనండి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్, చేస్తాను. మేడం ఇంకా వెయిట్
only
లాస్
father's back energy, that's all.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay?
మెమరీ లాస్ మేడం.
No, the father's black magic must go.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఇష్యూస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి సార్.
You or husband?
ఎస్ సార్. 4 years బ్యాక్ కార్పొరేషన్ వర్క్స్ చేయించాం సార్. 7 lakhs మేము ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. బిల్స్ పాస్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్. గవర్నమెంట్ వర్క్స్ ఎలక్షన్స్ టైంలో గవర్నమెంట్ వర్క్స్ చేయించాము.
So they did some government contracts, sir, 7 lakhs. The bills are not yet passed. Because of that, they are facing so many financial problems, sir.
How many years the problem?
4 years, from 4 years.
Proper documentation, madam. Proper documentation.
ఉంది సార్, గవర్నమెంట్ బిల్స్ సార్.
Yeah, madam. Proper documentation.
మేడం అర్థం కాలేదు.
They did government contracts, sir.
Yes, madam. Even then they must sign the lawyer, somebody must sign, the king must sign, that must sign, everybody must sign.
బిల్స్ పాస్ అవుతున్నాయని చెప్తున్నారు కానీ అది పోస్ట్ పోన్ అవుతున్నాయి మేడం. ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ మీ బిల్ అట్లా చెప్తున్నారు కానీ పోస్ట్ పోన్ అవుతున్నాయి మేడం.
They are saying that you are going to be received, but not yet they received.
This is the government, is it the state government or is it the federal government?
State
government.
Has the government changed it now? Government changed already?
2.5 years అయింది మేడం జగన్ వచ్చి.
2.5 years, sir. New government formed before 2.5 years.
New government formed. How to get old government money?
No, they did the contract for this new government only.
Okay, tell them to divine favor for the contract, divine favor for the new government. Okay?
ఓకే సార్. వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ మేడం, ఇంకొకళ్ళకి కూడా మనీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్కి ఇచ్చున్నాం మేడం, వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇవ్వట్లేదు. మొత్తం మీద మాకు 20 lakhs నియర్లీ 20 lakhs బ్లాక్ అయిపోయింది మేడం. ప్లస్ ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే షాప్ది మేము 4 years బ్యాక్ రెంట్ 18 years నుంచి ఓన్ షాప్ అదేంటి షాప్ రెంట్కి తీసుకొని బిజినెస్
ఫస్ట్ ఒకటి అడుగుదాం మేడం, దే గేవ్ మనీ ఫర్ ఎంతండి ఇచ్చింది?
5 lakhs మ్యామ్.
They gave 5 lakhs to some other person, sir. They are not returning their money. She is asking.
Do divine favor the money. Husband must do.
మీ హస్బెండ్ చేయాలట.
ఓకే సార్. మేడం ఇది షాప్ది కూడా మేడం 18 years బ్యాక్ మేము స్టార్ట్ చేసాం మేడం ఆప్టికల్ బిజినెస్, రెంట్కి ఉంటున్నాము. అయితే అంతవరకు బాగానే ఉంది, ఓనర్కి మాకు కూడాను ఇది మంచిగానే ఉంది. అయితే 4 years బ్యాక్ ఆ ఓనర్ మా షాప్ కావాలి అని అడిగారు, వెకేట్ చేయమన్నాడు షాప్. అయితే మేము అప్పటి నుంచి కూడాను షాప్ చూసుకుంటున్నాము, ఓన్ షాప్ తీసుకుందామని. ఈ మనీ బ్లాకేజ్ వలన ఓన్ షాప్ అది కూడా ఒక రీజన్, ఓన్ షాప్ దొరకట్లేదు. ఈవెన్ వేరే షాప్ రెంట్కి వెళ్దామన్నా కానీ షాప్ దొరకట్లేదు మేడం. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి ఆ ఓనర్ వచ్చేసి షాప్ ఈ దీన్ని కోర్టులో వేశారు, వెకేట్ చేయట్లేదు అని. మేము షాప్ దొరికితే వెకేట్ చేస్తాము అని చెప్పేసి చెప్తున్నాం మేడం. అయితే ఆయనకి కన్వే చేయలేదు. బిజినెస్
Madam Padmaja.
Yes, sir.
The problem very simple. The father and husband and she must all follow PBA, start doing divine prayer, prosperity affirmation, play the perfect song 1, 2, 3, 4 times a day, and let's see what happens.
ఓకే.
మీ ఫాదరు, మీరు, మీ హస్బెండ్ అందరూ కూడా డివైన్ ఫైర్ చేసి ప్రాస్పరిటీ అఫర్మేషన్స్ రోజుకి ఒక 5 times ప్రాస్పరిటీ అఫర్మేషన్స్ చదవమంటున్నారు సార్. ఓకేనా మేడం? ఓకే సార్.
Okay, like Ramana Devi Potturi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir, I am here.
Okay, very good. Number one, first I want to thank you for knowledge and guidance. I've been following the past 3.5 years. I'm healing as you told by you. I have totally given up coffee after you comment on life about me. You are the one 40 coffee, madam.
Yes, sir.
Madam, I'm just preparing my YouTube page for you, madam. Woman, physical problem, 40 years of drinking coffee. It's here. I'm just doing it right now. See, I put down there. Physical issues caused by 40 years of drinking coffee. And you're calling me, madam. I'm not joking, madam. I'm not joking. I'm very serious, sir.
Really, I gave up, sir. I did the liver flesh also, sir.
You know why? You condition your mind. Drinking coffee without sugar for 40 years. My life is nothing. I must have a coffee to start my life. It's on YouTube today, madam. Go on YouTube. Loading on YouTube now, right now. Okay, madam. Tell me, madam. I'm feeling as you told me, totally given up coffee after you commented on the way. Very nice, madam. It's not easy to give up something you like, Not easy, Not easy. Please guide me further what I have to do. Madam, 1, 2, 3. Do 3 liver flush, madam.
Okay, sir. I did already one.
No, do another one more month, do it, madam, and start healing, madam. And see, after healing, I feel good, but sometimes I pain a back. Do, madam, do bed yoga 1-2 times a day, morning and evening.
Okay, sir.
After that, heal your stomach and heal your liver. Start these two things. Do your work. Start doing your work, madam. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Drink energized water.
Energized water. Okay, sir.
Let's see what happens. Huh? Second, my second issue about my land. A group of people have sold my land without my knowledge. They have forged all the signature. I have gone to court and there's no proof. This is all trouble, madam. There are a lot of smart people in India, madam. You know, and the court case going to go on, and you will die, and everyone die. Everybody go, madam. This is all trouble. The land will be empty. You know, sometimes the land has got lots of dark energy. Think of the land. Think of the land, madam.
Okay, I'm thinking, sir.
Now the land is used, has it been used now?
Yeah, it is under my handover only, sir.
But is someone doing using the land for farming or building? Anyone doing anything like that?
Cultivation only, farming only, I am giving.
Okay. Start doing divine fire for the land, madam. Let's see what happens. I remove the dark energy. Let's see what happens, okay?
Okay, sir. 25 I am doing the divine fire, sir.
Okay, do, madam, do. I've got my sister to have a house. She lost her husband 2 weeks ago. She has spoken to you when her husband was critical. Now she's able to see him everywhere. Like she's watching him. No, madam. No, none of us are able to sleep. Madam, no, madam. The husband is not there. She's just going crazy, that's all.
Okay, sir. But how to go? So many cards are coming to me, sir. How to I heal that one? Protect myself.
Lord, she's got lots of emotion in the husband, that's all, man. Lots of emotion in the husband, you know. Think of the husband, so. Think of the husband, madam. Okay. Think of your sister. Think of her. Ask her to forgive him on page number 7, not on page number 4. Page number 7, do that. And then you must do some emotional freedom healing on her, and then she'll be fine, madam. Okay, I've removed all the negative energy from her now, right now, done. Somebody must counsel her and talk to her and tell her that he's no more here, that good that he has left, her karma is balanced with this man. She's got no more karma to balance this man anymore. She's fine. Okay, madam? That's the most important.
Okay,
somebody must talk to her. Okay.
What about me? How to protect from others, sir? From my sister-in-law, brother-in-law, and my sisters, everybody.
What they want. Don't want them, madam. You just do divine fire for yourself and wear the badge that protect me from all dark energy coming towards me from anybody from my own family. And just wear the badge. That's all. Finish.
About my health, sir?
Take care of your liver, madam.
Liver. Okay, sir.
Heal liver. Don't eat too much oily food, madam. Salty food. Don't eat. Try to change all that, madam. Okay? Otherwise, you're fine.
He's also becoming so emotional, sir, these days.
Who, madam?
My husband.
Madam, you have no more karma when let it get emotionally himself. That's all. Don't worry about it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
What's that woman doing beside you? What is she doing there?
So I'm listening to you.
Listening to me. Okay, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. It's nice.
Ramaraju, madam. Guljar Begum, over.
Yeah.
Lymphadenopathy. What is that?
Good evening, sir.
You see, a lot of fatty liver, my friend. The food that you guys eat may not be good. Wow, very interesting, huh? This man says, look here, 19 mm in SAD since 8 months and fat liver since 10 years. Sir, please help me. Thank you, sir. Testimony, sir. I have gallbladder stone. last 6 months back, sir. So I healed the liver, gallbladder, and I did liver flush. Sir, I took abdominal scan. Then my result is no stones in my gallbladder. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, my friend. So let this message go to everybody in Andhra Pradesh and India. The oil you eat may not be very pure. Could be adulterated with so many things, low quality oil and fat and things like that. What is that? You see, most of the oil that you get is mixed with some kind of a, what do you call that? What do you call it? Vanaspati. You know Vanaspati? You see some kind of oil.
Vegetable oil.
But, yeah, but it's a low level oil, madam, not high level oil. Vanaspati. No,
This is dalda, sir. Dalda.
Dalda. No.
Dalda.
Especially when you go to all the shop, they fry this, fry that for each other. This oil may not be very good. So be careful. Be careful on the kind of food. Indian people eat a lot of fried food. Less your oil, my friend. Less the oil. The lesser oil you have, the more healthier liver you're going to have. So you must reduce oil. So the oil may not be good quality because the great demand of people of India, you cannot afford the expensive oil. So they make the cheapest oil around and they let you eat. So all this can affect you a lot. So please be careful. Okay, my friend. So you start taking of your liver, heal your liver. Like what you do? Do 2 more. Do 2 more liver flush. Okay, then next year do 1 more 6 months. 6 months 1 liver flush. Slowly clean, heal the liver. Next is food. Take care of the food. No more ghee. No more all these sweet fruits also. Start with oil. Reduce your oil as much as you can. Don't eat fried food. You go no dosa. No dosa with oil. You know, go dosa. They put so much oil on dosa. You understand, sir? And they pour the oil. I go to the shop. I get very scared. Even you cannot eat porota. Put a lot of oil. It's nice to eat, but it's all of oil. So please be careful. What you diet with, change your food. I would say you must go to zero oil for some time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months you must go zero oil. And then then, you know, sometimes, you know, what do you call it? You go to the bakery shop. You know, it's all oil, sir. Everything is oil there. What oil you put, we do not know. What is that? It's some kind of curry puff. You can open a peel it like that. You know? What do you call that?
Puffs.
Puffs. All nothing but oil and flour. It's very nice to eat. They put salt and they put some kind of masala inside, and all of this just oil in between, and they fry it and they put some kind of oil, because only when you put oil, the flour won't get stick to each other. You get layers and layers and layers. Like when you do the paratha, you put layer because they put oil in between, they never get stuck. All these are going to go to the liver, my friend. So you start with your food now. This is going to all the people in India, because you've got a big population and the oil demand is very, very great. Everybody eat fried food. You go to any bus stand, there's a lot of fried foods waiting outside. Bhaji, what else, madam?
Bhaji, puffs.
Yes, sir.
I still, you know, your samosa. Samosa, nothing is fried, full of oil in between. You know, one day I went to Kerala, I can press the fried banana and so much oil is spilling from my hand.
Para bhaji.
No, can you imagine? So much of bhaji, the flour is so soft and so soggy, it absorbs all the oil. And they don't put new oil, they just add oil to the thing. They don't throw the oil. The next thing is add on. All this oil is going to everybody's body and slowly affecting you in some way. So please be careful, okay, guys? That is the fat liver. You know, they say, when I ask them, are you a vegetarian? No. Are you a meat? No, so I'm a vegetarian. And where you get fatty liver from? Because the kind of fat you eat because of the oil. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Start changing your diet, sir. At least now with the liver flush and your gallbladder healing, something come out, some good thing happen. Otherwise,
Okay.
how big was the stone? 19 mm?
That's a 19 mm lymphopathy and measurements ichcharu madam.
Diet, sir, diet. All change your diet now. Change Andhra diet. Which part of Andhra are you from?
From Yeluru, sir.
Veluru, huh?
Yes, sir.
Even whenever I eat fish in India, it's all fried fish. Too much of fried, all fried. You know what I mean? You know, must learn how to eat steamed fish. Steamed fish and cook like steamed fish, something like that, sir. You know? Okay, sir. Thank you.
Madam, every year some health issues వస్తున్నాయి మేడం.
ఏంటండి?
ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ ప్రతి సంవత్సరం ఏదో ఒక హెల్త్ ఇష్యూ అనేది వస్తుంది. లాస్ట్ టైం ఏమో లివర్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ అయింది, మధ్యలో కిడ్నీ స్టోన్స్.
Sir, he's asking that every year he's facing some sort of health issues, sir. He's asking about that, sir.
It's because of the food. I tell him all the problem having is because of food.
సార్ మీరు టోటల్ ఫుడ్ చేంజ్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నారు. మీ ఫుడ్ వల్లనే అలాంటి హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్ వస్తున్నాయని చెప్తున్నారు సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్, ఓకే మేడం.
Madam, this Kiran is same. Kiran Mayi is different, right? Hello.
No. I think she is not present.
Ma'am?
Yes. Kiran, మీరేనా కిరణ్ మయ్యది?
ఏం మేడం?
28 క్వశ్చన్ మీరేనా మాకు పంపించింది? అది కాదు కదా?
24 మ్యామ్, 24 నాది.
ఓకే. 29 to control.
Krishna Sarma. Hey, my God, it's 10 o'clock already. What are you guys trying to do?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys, let's do the question now.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Okay, my friends, let's start now with our class on blessings.